Hi everyone, my name is Caitlin Belovich and I'm one of the SNAP Ed program coordinators in Unit 22. Are you someone that loves a healthy, nutritious breakfast but doesn't want to wake up early to start cooking? Well, I have the perfect breakfast option for you today, overnight oats. And today I will be showing you how to make a blueberry vanilla overnight oats recipe. So the first thing I did was just make sure I had my hands are clean and I washed my hands for 20 seconds. And then also just made sure I shopped for my recipe ingredients. So making sure I had everything I needed on hand. And for this recipe, the ingredients that you need are honey, vanilla extract, low-fat yogurt, old-fashioned oats, frozen blueberries, and the milk of your choice. And for this recipe, I will be using 1% milk. Next, you're going to combine all your ingredients, besides the blueberries, into a medium or large mixing bowl. So I'm going to start adding my ingredients. So I will be taking 1 tablespoon of honey. So I'm going to pour that into my bowl. And for this recipe, it actually makes 2 servings. So you will have an extra one for the following day, which is nice. And then 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And then a 1/2 cup of yogurt. I'm using vanilla for this recipe. And then I'm going to go ahead my 1 cup of old-fashioned oats, and then I'm going to add my 1 cup of milk. Alright, so then you're going to mix all the ingredients together. After you mixed all your ingredients in your bowl, you're then going to divide the mixed ingredients into 2 servings. So for overnight oats, I like to use glass jars, but really any container or any cups you have at your house will work just as well. So I split the mixture between my 2 containers, and now I'm going to add the blueberries on top. So I went ahead and added my blueberries, and now I'm just going to mix just a few times, and that is it. If you have the lids to your containers, go ahead and add them, but if you just have some plastic wrap to place on top, that will work just as well. And that's it. And go ahead and put these in your fridge and refrigerate for about 6 to 8 hours, and then the next day you can enjoy your overnight oats. Thank you.